Hey everyone, it's Kayla with the Celebration Company, and I've got something fun for you today. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And also be sure to check me out on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram for a lot of other fun ideas just like this one. Okay, so today we're going to make a really pretty summery floral hanger. So I'm starting out with this frame. This is just something recycled from Christmas, and it does have a frame around it. I just removed whatever was on the background, and now to make things easy, I'm cutting out a piece of chipboard that fits right inside. And then I'm just going to use my paper. This is bulletin board paper that I got from the Dollar Tree. Just going to glue the chipboard down onto that paper using some Mod Podge. And I just left about a 1/2 inch all the way around the edge. All I'm doing here is just cutting the corners out. That way I can fold it over to the back side. And then that's going to just fit right into that little frame very easily, and I'm just going to use a little bit of hot glue to glue that in. Now I'm taking this little envelope that's from Dollar Tree. It does have a little heart on it. It's from Valentine's Day. And just adding some foam in here so I have a little something to stick my floral into. And then I'm just going to start adding some florals. Now, these florals are just pieces that I had left over. I did not go buy anything specifically for this, but I was just trying to look for some things that kind of went with the paper that I put on the background. So a lot of these pieces are just literally scrap pieces. Now, when it comes to arranging this, I'm not going to say that there's any one specific way or a best way to do it, but I will say that with something like this, I don't necessarily like symmetry. I want it to look a little bit natural and like it's kind of just that way. So you can see that it's not necessarily symmetrical, but it is balanced. And I think that that is the main thing when it comes to floral. Start with your big pieces first and then add in your small pieces later. To just kind of fill in. Now I've also got a little bird here, and I'm going to add that bird to this as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue in my background. And now I'm just going to glue the envelope onto the background. So I'm using a little bit of E6000 since this is metal. And then I'm just going to also use some hot glue to give us that instant adhesion. So we'll just push that down. And then we'll just add some finishing touches to it. So I've got this little bird that I just feel like looks really great in here. I believe it came from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just taking a piece of wire and I'm going to stick a piece of wire up inside the bird and then stick it down into the envelope. And this is just to help it stay in there. Okay, so now I'm using this fun mesh-like ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. I love this stuff and I use it all the time. And I'm just going to add some loops into the floral just to add a little extra texture. So all I'm doing is just cutting a piece about 5 or 6 inches and I'm using a pipe cleaner to just kind of cinch it at the bottom. I'm folding it in half and then cinching it right at the bottom. And then just sticking it in there to add extra texture. And you can see I'm just doing that in a couple of different places. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye.